In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk reclassify transactions in QuickBooks Online 2025. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant, keeping your transactions organized is essential for accurate reporting. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Click Sign In, select QuickBooks Online from the list, and then enter your username and password. After double-checking your credentials, click. Continue to open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you don't need to navigate through menus. Instead, go to the top search bar on your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on the search bar and type Reclassify Transactions. QuickBooks will show the tool under Accountant Utilities. Select it from the results. This is the fastest way to access the reclassification tool. After opening the Reclassify Transactions page, you'll see a panel on the left containing your accounts. Select the account that includes the transaction you want to reclassify. The transactions for that account will appear on the right side. To begin bulk reclassification, use the checkboxes next to each transaction. If you want to select all of them at once, simply click the checkbox at the top of the column. This allows you to update multiple transactions together instead of changing them one by one. Once you've selected the transactions, click the Reclassify button. A menu will appear allowing you to make changes. Choose the Change Account to option. Then scroll through your chart of accounts and select the correct account or category you want these transactions moved to. Be sure you select the right account, as this affects how your financial data is reported. After confirming your selection, click Apply. QuickBooks will immediately reclassify all selected transactions in bulk, updating your records in just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to bulk reclassify transactions using the QuickBooks Online reclassification tool. This simple feature helps keep your books clean, accurate, and audit ready. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more QuickBooks tutorials. Happy bookkeeping.